I know I look crazy. Don't judge me, okay? Like, I'm kind of spiraling right now. I filmed a whole wash and go video that I designed to come out this week, and 2 days ago TikTok was banned, and with the banning of TikTok, CapCut went away, so I could not edit my video that I worked so hard on. So I am filming another video for you guys because I did not want the week to go by without me giving you guys a video, okay? Like, that's just not like me. This week I'm going to do a nighttime skincare routine, and I am currently in the middle of my nighttime skincare routine. I decided I was going to turn on my camera and show you guys what my routine is like currently, okay? Okay. Tonight's actually my A313 night. Get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this mask off, and I'm gonna show you guys what products I put on my skin to ensure that I am clearing up my dark spots and keeping my acne at bay. So my face is nice and clean and fresh. I absolutely love the mask that I use. This is the mask that I use. I absolutely love it. It is a staple of mine. I've been using it since 2020 and I will never go back. Now that my face is nice and clean and fresh, I go in with my snail mucin. So all it takes is a couple of pumps on my finger. And this just calms my skin down so much. After doing such an intense mask. Because my skin kind of feels really tingly after I wash the mask off, because I also use tea tree oil in it as well. So I just use a little bit of this just to calm my skin down and just to bring it back to itself, because it has such an intense deep cleaning. I'm gonna go in with my A313. I've been using this since, I want to say, like mid-December of last month. So I've been using this for roughly a month now. And so far, I'm very impressed with it. The texture of my skin has gotten a lot softer since me using this pomade. This is a vitamin A pomade, you guys. And I am enjoying it so far. I really am. And so what I do, I just rub this all across my face. My skin is used to serums and treatments and acids and stuff. So I use this every other night and it has not irritated my skin. I use my Vanna cream to go over the A313 as a thick moisturizer, and you guys, she's thick. So my skin is never irritated. I might have a little bit of itchiness here and there, but nothing too drastic. And in the morning, I always remember to wear my sunscreen. You cannot use this without using sunscreen, okay? So if you're gonna use like retinol, which is what A313 is, it's a French retinol, always make sure you use sunscreen. You do not want to be caught out here without, you do not want to be caught out in the sun without sunscreen. Your skin is just going to get irritated and it's going to be a hot mess. And you guys, there you have it. That is my skincare routine for the night. And if you're wondering, I just put on a little bit of Blistex on my lips. Ever since I've been using it, my lips have been like baby soft. I absolutely love this lip balm. It's my favorite lip balm so far. And y'all, my face is feeling so smooth. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and my face is gonna be feeling so good, you guys. I am in love with this retinol. Okay, I'm very impressed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.